Welcome to our video on installing Home Assistant using VMware Workstation Player. VMware Workstation Player is a quick and easy way of running Home Assistant on existing hardware. It is ideal if you lack equipment or are looking to minimize costs. You might get performance issues if the equipment is being used for other purposes. It is recommended to use dedicated hardware if possible, and the PC will need to be kept running. For Workstation Player, you will need at a minimum of a 1.3 GHz or faster processor, 8 GB of RAM, 50 GB of hard drive space, network access, preferably wired, and Windows 8 or 2012 server or above. Workstation Player will also run on Linux, however better alternatives exist for Linux. First, we need to download VMware Workstation Player. Go to vmware.com or your local alternative. Go to Products on the top menu and click Workstation Player. Click the Download for Free button and then click the Go to Downloads button. Click the Download Now button for your operating system. We also need to download the Home Assistant virtual image we are going to use. Go to the Home Assistant website at home-assistant.io. Links are also in the description. Click Getting Started, then click Installation. Scroll down to the Linux section. At the top you will find links to download images. Click VMware Workstation. Whilst downloading the image, further down this page there are also written instructions for installation if needed. Once downloaded, open the zip file and copy the contents to a new folder that we will use to store the image. We are using a folder called Home Assistant on the root of the C drive. From your download folder, start the installation for VMware Workstation Player. Click Next, then agree to the license agreement. Click Next. Select if you wish to enable the enhanced keyboard driver and click Next. Select or deselect any user experience options and then click Next. Set your shortcut options and click Next. When you are ready, click Upgrade or Install. Workstation Player will now install. Once complete, click Finish. It's a good idea to reboot your PC once done to ensure any new drivers are fully enabled. Open VMware Workstation Player. Click on Create a new virtual machine. Select I will install the operating system later and click Next. Select Linux and for the version select Other Linux 6.x kernel 64-bit. Click Browse and navigate to the folder created earlier. Give the virtual machine a name, in this case Home Assistant. Click Next. You will get a message indicating that there is already a virtual machine in the location chosen, which is the one we downloaded. Click Continue. Set a maximum disk size of at least 32 GB, higher if you have space. Select Store Virtual Disk as a single file. Click Next. Click the Customize Hardware button and change the memory setting to a minimum of 2048 MB. If you have plenty of memory available, 4096 MB is recommended. Under Network Adapter, change the connection to Bridged to allow the VM to appear on its own IP address. Click Configure Adapters and remove any networks you don't want to bridge, for instance any VPN or Bluetooth adapters. Click OK. Select the CD/DVD drive and click Remove. Click Close. Finally, click Finish. Open the folder containing the virtual machine, in our example, Home Assistant. You will see two VMDK files, the downloaded file and one given the name you gave the virtual machine. Delete the named file. Rename the downloaded file with the name you gave to the virtual machine. Once this is done, open up the VMX file, which should be around 2 KB, with Notepad or similar. Under the line starting .encoding, add firmware equals quotes EFI quotes and then save the file. Once you are ready, click the Play Virtual Machine link. This will open up the VM, initially displaying a black screen. Some text will appear and move up the screen. This is Home Assistant starting up. After a few minutes, you will be presented with a screen with Home Assistant in large letters on a black background. Under the System Information section, take a note of the IPv4 address given. Open a browser window. In the address bar, enter either the IP address given or homeassistant.local followed by a colon, then 8123. Press enter. If you are presented with Preparing Home Assistant, wait for a few minutes. Once presented with the welcome screen, click on Create My Smart Home. Home Assistant will ask you to create a user. Enter your name, the username you prefer to use, and enter your password twice. Click Create Account. Select your home location. This is only so that Home Assistant can present you with local information if relevant. If you wish, you can leave this as default. Click Next. Home Assistant will ask for your country. This is so that your local units, distance, etc. can be set up. Click Next. Home Assistant will ask you to agree to sending analytics. These are optional and only used by the developers for statistical and usage information. Click Next. Home Assistant will then show if any compatible devices or services have been detected on your network. Click Finish. For additional hardware such as Zigbee or Z-Wave USB adapters, Plug the adapter into the PC whilst VMware Workstation Player is running Home Assistant. You will be prompted offering to connect the new device to a virtual machine. Select your Home Assistant virtual machine and click OK. For Bluetooth support, if not already supported by the PC, insert a Bluetooth adapter and follow the above instructions. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for even more videos like this.